Hey, hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name's Belle and I'm so glad that you are joining me in today's video. So today I'm doing another Try Me Review Me in collaboration with Stylekorean, and this time we are doing a review on Neogen's skincare line. So Stylekorean has sent over 8 products in this box that I just received right now, and so I have opened it and I will go in and show you what's inside. Oh my gosh, look at the colors! The packaging is so cute. They're all this like peachy pink color. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that I see in here is the Probiotics Relief Toning Pad. So this comes with 50 inside. Okay, so it looks like this. This is really fun. I've never tried toning pads before. I usually just have like the toner and then I use the cotton pads. So this will be nice to use. So I'm excited to try this out. All right, so let's go into the next product. So this is the Youth Repair Emulsion. I'm just gonna open it up. Ooh, oh, that's so cute. The inside is like yellow. I love the like pink and yellow contrast. Ooh. Wow, okay, so it comes in like a little bottle like this, and I love how this is like frosted, like the cap is frosted, if you can see. Wow. You open it and it's just, I can't tell if I smell anything, but it smells kind of fruity. I don't know if that's just me, but that's what that looks like. Okay, the next product I have is the Youth Repair Mist. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is honestly like the best packaging of skincare I have ever seen. Like, look at that. That's so neat. Wait. It's pink on the inside. Can you see that it's pink? There's like pink, like, I don't even know what that is, like oils? What's in this? Oh, it's in Korean, I can't read it, but it's like, it's pink on the inside, like the little bubbles. That is so neat. Oh, it smells really, oh, this one's like leaky, but it smells really good. It smells like a little bit of like a floral fragrance. Oh, it smells so refreshing. It's like a floral peachy scent, if that makes sense. Okay. Next product is the Double Action Serum. I wish this like came with like a pamphlet. Like the last Try Me Review Me I did, it came with a pamphlet and it showed me like how to use each product and like the different steps and what each one does. But most of these on the packaging, it just says that it's mostly for anti-wrinkle, like like aging skincare, or anti-wrinkle skincare. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this, and then as you turn it, there's like another section and it's like tinted. So it's got 2 heads here, and I'm guessing you can either pump them together or you can pump them separately. And it also does not specify what like each product is, so I'm definitely going to have to go onto the website so I can see, because there is no like there isn't any English here and I am not Korean, so it just says biotechnology skincare. So I'll definitely go on the website just to double check. Next product is the Relief Sun Essence. So this is a sunscreen. Very cute. Like this, very flat, compact. I love packaging, so this is like 10 out of 10 for packaging. So this is the Relief Cream. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Literally every single product is packaged differently. I am obsessed. I need to figure out like what the scent is, because like there's no information pamphlet or any other details on the packaging, so stay tuned. Ooh, okay, so this is the Youth Repair Cream, Anti-Wrinkle in Early Age. Ooh. Oh, that rose gold. Do you see? Do you see? Oh, that's you. That's you. Or me. That's me. Look at that. Wow. And the last product that I have is the Relief Mask. A probiotics mask with super probiotics, helps to control skin condition, creating a luminous and healthy looking skin. Okay, so this comes with 5 masks. Ooh, they just look like this. So they're just little sheet masks. Again, there's like no English on it, so I will definitely have to go back on the website just so I can get a translation on every single one of these products. But that was the unboxing portion of this video. If you would like to stay tuned for the review after, you know, using these products for a couple of weeks, I will be back with that portion, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to the review. So it has been about 3 weeks since I've been using the Neogen Probiotics set, and I'm just going to go in depth into the different products that I use in terms of daytime and my nighttime skincare routine and what my thoughts are on the products so far. So let's get into it. Alright, so usually in the mornings after I cleanse and wash my face, I go in straight with the toning pads. These are the toning pads and it comes with a little tweezer, and I just pick up the pad from in here. And what I love about this is that each pad is so soaked into the product so much, so like I never have to like worry about, you know, each pad not being like moistened enough inside. So I love using this in the daytime and the nighttime as the very first step after I wash my face or get out of the shower. And for all of these products, they have this amazing scent. Like I don't even know how to describe it, but so it's like kind of like peachy florally, and I love it because that really just suits like the packaging of all of it, which is again super aesthetic. So I've been loving these, very moisturizing, and I feel like it also takes off some of that excess bacteria while also rebalancing the pH on my face. Then the next products that I go into during the day are these two. So if I know that I'm going out for the day and I want to have like a nice layer of sunscreen on, I put on the Relief Sun Essence sunscreen. So I put that all over my face, and if I'm just staying home for the day because, you know, quarantine and everything, I just go in with the double action serum. So I just pump out both sides. You can choose to pump one side or the other or both sides, but I like to do both. And I also just put this all over my face after the toning pads. I go in with the Probiotics Relief Cream. So why I really like this for a day cream is that, I don't know if you can tell, but it's super lightweight. It's kind of like a jelly consistency, and that's what I love about this product. So as you can see, it's like a jelly consistency, so it's really nice and light for the daytime. So I have been really enjoying that. And the last product that I use in terms of my daytime skincare is sometimes I will mist my face with the Youth Repair Mist. This product, I would say, like, it smells really nice. You just kind of like give it like a couple of like mists. My only thing about this product to use during the day is that it is oily. Like it has like a little bit of like some oils in the mist. So if you're someone who is acne prone or you tend to break out often, the oil in this product may not be the best for you. I haven't noticed any breakouts, but I noticed that when I put makeup over my face, this tends to make the consistency of the makeup look a little bit like too greasy afterwards. So I mean, some people like that like dewy look, but for my instance, it didn't really look too nice, especially when I was taking photographs. So this product, I can't say I highly recommend this one, but it still smells really nice. So it's nice to use if you're staying in for the day and not putting makeup on your face afterwards, and if you're someone who is not acne prone. So there's that. So out of all those daytime skincare products, I would say, you know, my skin has become less inflamed, less red. The rosacea that I had just seemed to have gone away, and my overall complexion just seemed like a lot like lighter and brighter and more what's that word, like there's more elasticity in my face because of the collagen. So I've been loving those products. But now we're going to move into the nighttime products. All right, so for the nighttime products, again, after I step out of the shower, my face is already cleansed with my facial wash. I then go straight back into the toning pads again. So I just use one pad all over the face, and I make sure I get into the crevices, like, you know, like the corners of my eyes or the corners of my lips or like around my nose, especially if I've worn makeup that day and I feel like the toning pad really picks up on that extra dirt and bacteria. So again, love this. And usually after the toning pads, depending on, you know, how much time I have in the night to kind of relax, I used one of these probiotic probiotics relief masks, and I keep this on for about 15 to 20 minutes to really let my skin absorb the formula inside the packet. And I feel like after taking it off, my skin feels very supple, hydrated, moisturized, and again, it smells so good. Everything in this line smells amazing. But after that, I don't rinse off any of the serum or the extract that comes out of the mask. But what I then do is on top of, you know, like right after taking off the mask and just kind of massaging in the rest of the liquids onto my face, I like to go on top with the Youth Repair Emulsion. And I love the consistency of this product. I'm just gonna show you. So it's kind of got that like creamy consistency, but it's also very lightweight, especially if you know that you're going to put a moisturizer on top later. So I just put that right on top of the essence that was left over from the mask, and then I finish off with the Youth Repair Cream. So the difference between this cream and the other cream, this one is a little bit more thicker. So I like to use this one in the nighttime as opposed to the other one for day and night. And this one also has the anti-wrinkle, anti-aging properties. So I really like incorporating this into my skincare, you know, whether it be the daytime or the nighttime, at least once, just to, you know, help early prevention. And always do not forget the neck. The neck is so important. The neck is also the area that shows the first signs of aging. So never neglect your neck when you're thinking about your skincare. So definitely love this product. It's very moisturizing, especially when it comes to the winter time. I know living in Canada, like we had the first snowfall on November 1st and the weather's like 24 degrees today, but this is going to come in really handy when it gets colder outside and my skin tends to get dry, especially, you know, around my cheeks, my chin, and on my forehead. So I'm super excited going into the winter using this product as well as everything else as part of my new skincare regimen. So my overall review is that I have incorporated all of these products into my skincare routine for the last like 2 to 3 weeks, and I can honestly say that I love the packaging, I love the scent, I love how moisturizing and hydrating every product is, and how I was able to try so many different products from one line. So thank you so much to Neogen and Stylekorean again for this Try Me Review Me opportunity. I am so excited to share all my reviews and my thoughts on these products with you. If you like to see videos like this regarding skincare or reviews, let me know in the comments below. And that concludes the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!